Hello guys, welcome to another strategy learning session. Today we are going to talk about bull put spread. This is part of the vertical spreads series. What we are seeing in the screen is a bull put spread. So vertical spread I have already explained. So what is a vertical spread? Vertical spread is a different strike, same expiry. Either it is a put option or call option, means both option needs to be same. Means the bull put spread involves two put options. So we are going to sell one put for a premium and we are going to buy the lower put. Means 17,900 put we are selling. 17,900 is at the money put, so we are selling, and we are going to buy the out of the money put. When I say lower put, the strike price is lower than the sell strike. Okay, this bull put spread is a net credit spread. Means for taking this position we are going to get the premium for us. Whenever we are doing a credit spread, our probability of profit is quite high because our break evens are little higher. Okay, so if we have a bullish view, we can have a bull call spread or a bull put spread. Bull call spread being a debit strategy, we are going to pay money for taking the positions, but in a bull put spread we are going to collect money to take the positions. In this, whenever we are taking a credit spread, we have a maximum losses higher than our maximum profit, but the probability of profit is quite high because the break evens are quite low. Right now we are at 17,900, but where is our break even at expiry? 17,867. See, the market has to go down by another 60 to 70 points for us to start making loss. Okay, so that is why the probability of the bull put spread is quite high. Since we are dealing with puts, our margin required is slightly higher than dealing with call options because the put options, the premiums are richer and the margin is also a little bit higher. Let's see how we are going to take it. I'll just clear the trades. So this is a sensible interface. This is available in the free version also. The strategy builder is available in the free version also. You can go to sensible and then select the strategy builder from the left side menu. So you will come to this screen. So you have a ready-made strategies for bullish, bearish and neutral strategies. There are other strategies. So what we are going to do is I am just going to show a position which gives us a bull put spread. So let us see, we can, for a bullish view, we can buy a call or we can sell a put. We can do a bull call spread, we can do a bull put spread, and we can do a call ratio back spread. Okay, now we are going to talk about the bull put spread. So let us click this. So Sensible gives us one strategy which is a bull put spread. So what it has done is sell 11th November expiry 17,900 put one lot for 102 rupees. This is a credit. We are receiving money, means to take this position. To hedge that, we are going to buy 17,700, a lower put for hedging. When we do this hedge, our maximum loss is limited. If you are going to sell only this put, I'll just delete and show. If you are going to sell only this put, our max profit is 5133. Max profit is higher than the spread because this is a naked sell. Where is the risk is in the maximum loss. You can see the maximum loss of about 8.9 lakhs. Means this figure is very hypothetical because this gives the indication that by expiry Nifty goes to zero. Okay, means that is not going to happen, but that is what is the risk we are talking about. When it goes down, the market goes down below 17797, below 17,800, consider that how quickly we are getting into the loss. You can see if the market expires at 17,600, say 17,600, our loss would be somewhere about 10,000 rupees in this. That is for one lot. Okay. So to mitigate the risk on the lower side, we are going to sacrifice some of our profits here. Our profit here is what? 5133. In a naked put sell, the maximum profit available is the premium collected. So which is 5133. Means to mitigate the downside risk of the undefined or unlimited risk. This is not unlimited. Nifty is not going to go to zero by 11th of November. So this is the theoretical value. But if the Nifty tanks down, the loss potential is quite high on a naked put sell. Okay. So for that reason, we are going to have a bull put spread. Means I'll just add the position here, not to go here. I'll add the position here. So I'll just add it. So we are going to buy the lower put. 17,900 is what we sold. So we will buy 17,700. So we buy and then click done. So our downside risk is capped at 6,868. To have the downside risk capped, we have left about 2,000 rupees of our profit. In the naked sell, we had 5133, right? With that, our break even at expiry also slightly increased because we paid part of the premium collected. Okay. So this is a bull put spread. Let us see where is our break even. 17,897. So 17,837. Right now the market is at 17,916. So right now the market is here. The market needs to go down to 17,837 and further fall. Then only we will start making the loss. Till 17,837 is breached, we are not going to make any loss. Okay. If the market goes up, our profit is capped at 3,133. Here you can see the reward to risk ratio is 0.46. Consider 0.5 means we are risking 1 rupee to make 50 paisa. Okay. So this is what it is, or we are risking 2 rupees to make 1 rupee. But if with this poor risk reward, but the probability of profit is higher than 0.5 means 50, more than 50% probability of profit is there. So all the credit strategies, the probability of profit will be high, but the risk reward will be poor and your maximum profit is lesser than the maximum loss. Okay, that is why the risk reward is less. But since the pop is high, many people are interested in taking the credit strategies where the risk is also defined. When you take credit strategies, any selling strategy is a credit strategy. When you sell a naked put, your downside is undefined. Now we are defining it by sacrificing some of the upside potential. Okay. So here, just to go a little bit more in detail, consider the market is shooting up on Monday. When it opens on Monday, the market shoots up. So it goes to 18,000. So when it goes to 18,000, our profit on that day will be around 1,655 because still there are 3 more days left for expiry. We are seeing the profit on Monday. So it will be a positive 1,655. But on expiry day, if the market is above 17,900, if the market is above 17,900 or on 17,900 or above 17,900, if it expires, we will receive the maximum profit of 3,133. If the market is anywhere between the break even of 17,840 and 17,900, it varies. You can see means the profit will vary slightly, somewhere in between. It will be in the profitable zone, but not at the max profit. It will be a lesser profit. The loss will start happening when the market goes below 17,840. You can see by 17,840 it comes down, so the loss will keep on increasing, but it will not be the maximum loss. It will be a loss. The maximum loss happens when the market goes to 17,700 or below. It is capped because we have bought the 17,700 put. So if the market goes down, the put will start gaining, but we have sold the 17,900 put. The 17,900 put will also start gaining in value. 17,700 put is also start gaining in value. The premium difference is more. That is why net we will be losing money. Where it will even out is at 17,700 at the bot strike. So when the market is at 17,700 and it starts further going down, our loss is limited. We are not going to get the unlimited loss. Our loss is limited to 6,868 only. We are not going to lose anything more than that. Since this is a credit strategy, as I said before, the probability of profit is high because our break even is a little bit more here, because right now the market is at 17,916, but our break even is about 670 to 80 points away from the break even point. So if the market need to come down another 70-80 points for us to start making the loss. Till that point we will not be making any loss. In between it may be showing loss, like for example when it goes to 17,870 we will be making about 200-300 rupees loss. Does not matter. On expiry we will be having 1,600 rupees of profit if the market stays above this break even, okay, above the 17,837. Okay, so I hope you understood what is a bull put spread. Bull put spread is basically selling a put and buying a lower put for hedging, and this is a net credit strategy. Adjustment for this and the previous strategy will be shared in a separate video. I hope you understood what is a bull put spread strategy. This is taken for a bullish view on the market. The downside and upside are capped. Signing off, this is JR. May the markets be with you. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video. Thank you.